I made this restaurant style butter chicken at home and my full family enjoyed it. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Abigail's Cooking Magic. Today I am going to show you all how to make butter chicken. Because of lockdown, we all can't go to restaurants. But don't worry, because I am going to show you all how to make restaurant style butter chicken at home. So let's start. I have 600 grams of chicken with bone. If you all want, you all can take boneless chicken. Now I am going to marinate it with 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, some salt, half teaspoon coriander powder, one teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 3 tablespoons of oil, 80 grams of curds, and 1 tablespoon lime juice. I'll mix it well. Once I marinated it well, I'm going to keep it aside. In a pan, I've taken 3 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Now I'm adding 300 grams of finely chopped onions. I'll saute them till they change color. Now I'll add 500 grams of finely chopped tomato and saute them well. Now I'm adding 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, and some salt to taste, 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon garam masala. I'll mix all these things well. And now I'm adding some chopped cashew nuts. I'm adding 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. You all can adjust the sweetness according to your taste. 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and 2 glasses of water. Let it simmer for 8 to 10 minutes. Once it's cooked, I'll give it another mix. And keep it to cool. In a frying pan, I'm adding 3 spoons of oil, and 2 spoons of butter. And now I'll fry the marinated pieces of chicken. The burnish part on the chicken gives it a grilled flavor. Once the chicken is fried, I am removing it into a plate. I fried the chicken in 2 batches. Now I'll make a puree of this cooled mixture. This is my butter chicken puree. In the same pan, I am going to add some butter and oil. Now I'll add my butter chicken puree and 2 teaspoons of tomato sauce. After giving it one boil, I'll add my fried chicken. Now I let it cook for 7 to 8 minutes. I'll give my gravy one more mix. And now I'll add 5 to 6 spoons of fresh cream. I'll give it one final mix and my butter chicken is ready. I'll put it in a serving dish. And garnish it with fresh cream and some coriander leaves. My restaurant style butter chicken is ready. Do try this recipe. I'm sure y'all will love it. Please subscribe so that y'all don't miss any of my latest videos. Also, please like and share. Bye bye. Take care. Love you.